Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will first of all discuss the waves in altcoin seasons. Then we will discuss the current state of the market and the main altcoins in the first wave of altcoin season in this current bull market. Then we will discuss the expected price points of Ethereum, Polkadot, Link, and coins like ALTCOIN and Litecoin, which have not yet reached the all-time highs which they made in the previous bull market. Finally, we will discuss the domains and types of projects which I will be considering in the second wave of the altcoin season, which is expected to come in this current bull market. We crossed 500 subscribers, which is a big achievement in just 4 weeks. And here is the message which I got from one of my subscribers. I am the subscriber number 500. Thank you so much. I have already replied you. And I will just like to thank you over here that, such comments, they really fuel my passion. And I'm grateful to everyone, to my subscribers and also to my viewers. And I guarantee you that I will keep on posting amazing content and bring even more motivation and commitment to my work. So thank you everyone. And let's hit the 1000 subscribers mark in the coming 2-3 weeks. Thank you very much. So let's proceed to the first part of the video and understand the concept of waves in the altcoin seasons of the bull markets. So the altcoin seasons consist of waves, and in each wave, the coins make multiple 100% gains of their price at the start of the wave. So the first wave of altcoin season started in mid 2020 and intensified in December 2020, meaning past 2.5 months approximately. So just like a wave in ocean does not have a very crisp starting point and an end point, in the ocean of a bull market, these waves also don't have a fixed starting point, but we can approximately see where things started to heat up and sentiment started to get momentum. Also, they don't have a crisp ending point, as I said. But looking back, we can see how things happened. And also when last euphoric wave of altcoin season ended. And when it ends, the altcoins go down 85 to 99% from the all-time highs which they made in the last euphoric wave of the altcoin season in that bull market. Therefore, the altcoin seasons consist of waves, and these waves depend on Bitcoin price action and a lot of other factors like news, sentiment, technological progress, and adoption. And in each of these waves, we can see one or more Bitcoin sideways price actions, and as a result, money pours from Bitcoin and stablecoins into altcoins. And now let's move to the second part of the video where we will discuss the current state of the market and the main altcoins in the first wave of altcoin season in this bull run. So today the Bitcoin price crossed $52,000 for some time, and now we are just a little bit below that, $51,895 currently. But I think that this bull run for the Bitcoin will continue. So let's see how it will play out in the near future. Also, Ethereum is setting up new all-time highs, and it made one yesterday, which was around $1,950. So I think it will test $2,000 very soon. Now, when the Bitcoin will make sideways price action, we will definitely see another wave of altcoin season. It means many alts like ALTCOIN, like Litecoin, and like Monero, which have not yet crossed previous bull market all-time highs, will try to reach there just like Ethereum and Bitcoin did. And as far as the BNB or the Binance coin is concerned, my God, it has given people astronomical gains. So it was sitting at around $50 just a few weeks back over here, and on December 14, 2020, it was just $28 per coin, and now it is $196 per coin. It means that it has given investors over 6x returns in just 2 months. Also, the price of Litecoin is surging and is 5x of its price back in September 2020, where its price was around $46. And as we know that you can buy and sell Litecoin via PayPal, and that is huge because now it is available for purchase to masses via PayPal. So no matter how boring and how tasteless Litecoin is as a project, I think it will be sitting at 2 to 3x of its current price in the coming 2 to 3 months at least. And in 2021, if the bull run lasts, it can reach to $1,000 and we have to remember that the all-time high which it made in the previous bull market, which was around $350, has not yet been reached, and it is still around $120 to $130 below that all-time high. So we have a lot of room to grow as far as Litecoin is concerned. Now Monero is up from $40 in March 2020 to around $256 currently, which is 6x from there in just 10 months. That is simply mind-blowing. We are still down $190 from the all-time high of around $450 which Monero made in the last bull run, as we can see over here. Cosmos is yet another interesting one, which was $4.7 on December 24, 2020 and went all the way up to $30, but now it has gone down a little bit to $23.39. So it is a very good 6x return for the investors in Cosmos. So I must tell you that the updates for Cosmos are in pipeline, and we will definitely have a look at this amazing project in detail in a separate dedicated video. Likewise, the price of Polkadot went from around $5 to around $31 in just a couple of months, and that is yet again a 6x return for the investors in this project. So out of all of these projects which I just mentioned, I'm still very bullish on Polkadot, Cosmos, Cardano, Ethereum and Litecoin. And now let's have a look at the expected price points of Ethereum, Polkadot, Chainlink and coins like ALTCOIN and Litecoin, which have not reached the all-time highs which they made in the last bull run. So now let's move ahead and discuss these expected price points of the coins that I just mentioned in the second wave of the altcoin season. But remember that we might get a very harsh correction of Bitcoin before the second wave of the altcoin season starts, and it happens in all the bull cycles, as you can see in the video that I made before. So the link of the video is above. And in this 40 to 60% correction of the Bitcoin, we can definitely see very low prices of the altcoins as compared to their current price points. But after that, the second wave of the altcoin season is expected to start, and it will take their prices to new heights. And also, I believe that the Bitcoin will continue its journey to the $100 price point and maybe even beyond that. So I believe that Ethereum will break the $2,000 price point very soon. And depending on the institutional investors, we can see a $10,000 Ethereum price point before the end of 2021. So much of it is locked up by the DeFi services or DApps. And if institutions and Fortune 500 companies start buying it by billions, not just the supply shortage resulting from it, but also the news and hype which it will create will push the price further up. That is despite its problems with interoperability and scalability in terms of transaction speeds and so on. So Ethereum still has the capacity to give 5x returns to its investors in 2021, depending on how long the bull market actually lasts. Also, the Polkadot ETPs or exchange traded products are hitting the market, and that can pour in and add billions of US dollars to its market cap. So I think that Polkadot can reach a price point of $200 US if the bull market continues till the end of 2021. And that will mean around 6.5x return for the investors who have invested in Polkadot. And now let's revisit Litecoin. Litecoin will keep on surging since PayPal has made it accessible to masses. This will further add fuel to the overall sentiment, and we can see it crossing all-time high of previous bull run. And afterwards, we will enter the price discovery where things can get euphoric. And even though being one of the most boring projects in my opinion in the space, I am bullish on the price. And that will mean a 5x or more return for the investors of Litecoin. And now a bit about Chainlink. So Chainlink, as I mentioned in the previous video, the link of which is above, it will ride the pumps to every major smart contract platform like Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, ALTCOIN, and Cardia Chain because they have partnerships with Chainlink and it enables their D apps to access real world data. So as any of these smart contract platforms pump, the sentiment also get transferred to Chainlink. So I think in the second wave, it can easily go to 5x or 10x of its current price. And it can reach a price of $200 easily if the bull run continues and if a black swan event does not happen and take us to the bear market. And now, one of my favorite projects, ALTCOIN, which is still 5x less in price as compared to the all-time high which it made in the previous bull run, it can not only reach there, but also go above it by 2x to 5x. This will give huge 10x to 25x gains to its investors. You have to remember that the cryptocurrency market is very emotions driven and always forward looking and can do crazy things. And now we proceed to the third and last part of the video, where I will explain the projects and domains which I will be considering in the second wave of the altcoin season. So first of all, I will be looking at the upcoming projects and the new projects which are currently ongoing in the Polkadot ecosystem. In particular, those projects that will potentially occupy the parachains in Polkadot ecosystem. So I made a video where you can understand Polkadot architecture in a very easy and self-explanatory manner. The link of this video is above. So when a parachain is occupied by a project, it gets a mention in many posts, articles and videos that explain or address impact of Polkadot, and this enables implicit free marketing and lets a project drive the sentiment of Polkadot ecosystem as a whole. The second group of projects that I'm interested in are the projects in their DeFi domain. Two such projects are Refinance and Yearn Finance, which will create a lot of value for the consumers and help blockchain space to progress further. And lastly, the projects which facilitate institutions or else create new blue oceans in the market, for example, projects like 1inch and Digitex. Now, the price of Digitex tanked because the platform was not released properly last time. Before that, it was trading in a range, but then price plummeted. So it is a very high risk and high reward project. And this time, they are promising that they will come up with a new intuitive interface where you can trade with very intuitive ladder, and also they are going to add spot markets, and you can also buy cryptocurrencies with your credit card on their website. But I am warning you that Digitex is a very high risk project at this point, since even though the value proposition is excellent, even though the team in my opinion has forged a blue ocean, but they have to deliver, and secondly, they have to win the trust of the community again, because they have been having many failed launches previously, and also they didn't keep their promises many times. So if they can release a good working product, and also if they can start marketing it properly, I think only then they can do amazingly well in the crypto market and leverage the bull market also to increase their token price. Because in the cryptocurrency market, the biggest publicity is the price. I hope that you liked the content in this video. Thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate that, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.